at O'Reilly to get some oil. Let's walk in the door. O'Reilly. Okay, looking for 10W40. Okay, you're gonna get this Castrol 10W40 in a container for $30. That's the cheapest one I can find at 10W40. Ended up getting Valvoline 10W40 synthetic blend high mileage oil instead of the Castrol because it was cheaper. A package which contains the oil filter and the valve stems and the gasket. So here's the oil filter. I'm not going to put it on because I don't need to put it on just yet. Probably by the end of maybe July, maybe the early August I'll have to put it on. And that's the gasket, oil drain plug gasket right there. The people taped it on it. So I have that in the oil filter. And I got the valve stems, Suzuki valve stems. I'll take these off. I'm going to hopefully put these on the tires and have them work. So, let's put them on. Hopefully it'll fit right. Hopefully they're right. This came from Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki of Knoxville, Tennessee. Let's put them on. Let's put these valve stems on. Okay, so there's the valve stem, the original valve stem for the Suzuki. I'll put these on. We'll fit on that. So hopefully it'll be compatible. Find out. Get them opened up and put them on. You get the valve stems out of the case. Let's put them on it. They are compatible. Screwed it on. So it's good news. So they fit a Suzuki C50T. We got it on. Good news. Okay, so the valve stems are compatible, and I got the Suzuki valve stems on the motorcycle. That's the front tire, and there's the rear tire. Oh, yeah, straight. Suzuki valve stems. All right, so it's on both tires. Yay.